Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
It's
Ben, how old are you? How old are you?
Peter.
What color do you like?
I like money.
Okay, Ben. What letter is it?
Letter
F. This one is a?
H.
Talk loudly, louder. This one is a?
Fox.
Okay, next. Letter?
Here.
This one is a?
Cream.
And? Quilt.
Bill.
Okay, what letter is it? Talk loudly.
Chair.
This one?
It got
And?
grapes.
Okay, what letter is it?
Letter
H.
H. House. Hat.
Louder. Speak loudly. Next, what letter is it?
Letter
I.
I.
I is for?
Apple.
I is for?
Inside.
How about this one? Letter
Letter
J.
J.
J is for?
Jacket.
And?
Jump.
Okay. What letter is it?
Letter K.
K is for?
Key. Cat.
Okay. Next, letter L. L is for?
Lion.
L is for?
Lamb.
Okay. Next, what letter is it?
Letter M.
M is for?
Moon. Mouse.
Okay. Next, letter N.
N.
N is for?
No.
N is for?
Toy.
Num?
Anna.
Okay, number. What letter is it?
Letter O. Orange.
And?
Orange.
On. Okay, next. Letter?
P. Pencil.
And?
Pig.
Good job. What letter is it?
Letter M.
Double?
Double G. Wheel.
And? Wall.
Wall.
Okay, next. What letter is it? Z.
Z.
Zebra. And?
Zoo.
Okay, next. What do you see?
I see a pink pig.
What do you see?
I see a black goat.
What do you see?
I see a blue rabbit.
Yeah. What do you see?
I see a black goat.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a white water.
What do you see?
I see a brown horse.
And what do you see?
I see a brown water.
Hen.
Hen.
What do you see?
I see a white eagle.
Goose. Goose. Okay, high five, Ben. Okay, goodbye.